Hello guys, welcome back once again. So we have to solve x plus 2 into brackets is square 2 is equal to 25. Let me tell you something. This type of question, we have so many ways of solving it, so many methods to solve this method. But I'm going to use a particular method to solve this. So please, if you have another method, you can also share it under the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more. So from here, I will take square root of both sides. Okay, so these two will cancel the square root here, leaving x plus 2 is equal to square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. So from here, x plus 2 is equal to 5 or x plus 2 is equal to negative 5. So let's solve this first. We say that plus 2 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5 minus 2. Okay, so our x is equal to 3. Now let's continue with this. So we have x plus 2 is equal to negative 5. X is equal to negative 5 minus 2. So x is equal to negative 7. Now, let's verify, check if this set of values are correct. So we have x plus 2 all squared, which is equal to 25. When s is equal to 3, we have 3 plus 2 all squared is equal to 25. So 3 plus 2 gets 5 squared. And is it equal to 25? 5 squared is 25, which is equal to 25. So it means that this one is correct. Let's solve for the other one too. We have negative 7 plus 2 all squared is equal to 25. So negative 7 plus 2, we get negative 5 bracket all squared. Negative 5 all squared is 25, which is equal to 25. So it means that this one too is correct. So therefore, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to negative 7. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.